It's a banger. What's up? I'm back. Just got this new bike right here, fresh off the goddamn crates. It is a icebear maddog Gen 4. Super nice. But in this video, we are doing a new taillight, and it has blinkers in there as well. Because I mean, I like the taillight, and I know you're probably like, oh, why is he changing it? I don't like the bulkiness. This one right here will be more sleek. It'll be way sleeker. So we're gonna go try that right now. This is like the only tool I'm using. My crimpers aren't coming in until tomorrow, so I'm just doing this. I'm gonna do it up with black tape, and then tomorrow I'm gonna make it so secure. Now I'll throw that probably in the video, but if not, I mean, you understand and you'll get the concept. All right. First, you'll want to undo these because there's only two that's holding this down. That's to get it all off. So just these. Get out there. Like one right there. One right there. And then it'll be these two. 1 and 2. Take those off. Once you remove the screws, like I said, this whole plate will come off. Then you'll have these two exposed. Then you'll mock this up. Hopefully it fits. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty good, pretty on there. So the holes line up, so we're just gonna screw it up from there. Next, you want to lift your seat up. And there's 3 or 4 bolts. This one, that one, this one right here, and this one. Undo those so you can release this plate. So I bolted it up just to see what it would look like, and that looks dope as hell. Anyway, so when you take these off, I use an Allen wrench. So you take those off, then you can lift this up, or just, you know, at least move it out the way so you can get to these wires, because that's where your turn signals are. So you take that off. So now that you have the wires exposed, you inspect them. You see how this one is black, red, yellow. You look on yours, you know, black, red, yellow. You keep those together. Then right here, these are obviously the turn signals. So with your other one, you locate those, or you can touch with those to try to match them up. But now I'm gonna wire them up, and I'll be back to show you what it would look like. So I put the wires together from this tail light, and I'm gonna try to test it, see how it works. I don't want to promise you anything. Let's see. Turn signal. Nothing's blinking right there. We're gonna have to move some wires along. Let's try the right one. That one's working. Oh, I put it wrong with the wrong one maybe. That looks nice. Now I just gotta figure out how to get the ground. See, I'll come back and rewire it a little bit. So I moved them around a little bit, and it's actually going now. The left. Put the seat down, look a little cooler. Goes the left. Here goes the right. Here goes the brake. And I think the running light maybe turns on when the bike is actually on. We're gonna see. Let's check it out. And yes, the running light is on. So there you have it, man. You got all your lights working. The left, the right. Looks sharp. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna do all the crimping better. I just want to see what it looked like with the new tail light in. Super clean. Get that brake real quick. Oh yeah, that's dope. Whoa. There you guys go. The tail light install takes you about 10 minutes, figure out the wiring, you'll be good. I got more builds coming along. I'm about to add more stuff this week, new exhaust, new halo headlights. Stay tuned. Thank you.